Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart protection plan. First, confirm if your item is covered. Check your physical receipt or log into your Walmart account. Your protection plan, typically from Allstate, offers specific coverage for product failures or accidental damage. Knowing these details upfront will make the entire process much smoother. It covers various items, from electronics to home appliances, for varying lengths, like 2 or 3 years. To file a claim online, navigate to the protection plan provider's website. You can usually find this link through your Walmart account. Have your original receipt, item information, and a detailed description of the problem ready. The online portal will guide you through submitting the necessary documentation and answering specific questions about the damage. Be thorough, as incomplete information can delay the process by several business days. If you prefer, filing a claim by phone is also straightforward. Locate the customer service number on your plan documentation. It's usually an 800 number. When you call, ensure you have your plan number, the item's serial number, and a detailed account of the issue. A representative will record your information, explain the next steps, and confirm your eligibility for service, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. After submitting your claim, the provider will assess your case, usually within 2 to 5 business days. They will then determine the best resolution: a repair, a full replacement of your product, or a reimbursement up to the item's purchase price. You will receive a unique reference number. Use this to track your claim's progress online. The goal is to get your item working again, quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.